Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create a personalized meal plan that fits your individual needs. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain a healthy weight, or just want to eat better, these tips will help you get started. First things first, let's talk about how to calculate your BMI. BMI stands for Body Mass Index, and it's a measure of body fat based on your height and weight. To calculate your BMI, you'll need to know your weight in kilograms and your height in meters. You can then divide your weight by your height squared to get your BMI. A healthy BMI is typically between 18.5 and 24.9. Knowing your BMI is important because it can help you understand your current health status and what changes you may need to make to your diet and lifestyle. It's also important to calculate your daily calorie needs, which is the amount of calories your body needs to maintain its weight based on your age, gender, height, weight, and activity level. To calculate your daily calorie needs, you can use an online calculator, or you can use a formula to estimate your daily energy expenditure. The formula for estimating your daily energy expenditure is as follows. For men, BMR equals 88.36 plus 13.4x weight in kilogram, plus 4.8x height in cm, 5.7x age in years. For women, BMR equals 447.6 plus 9.2x weight in kilogram, plus 3.1x height in cm, 4.3x age in years. Once you have your daily calorie needs, you can start creating your personalized meal plan. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day and can also slow down your metabolism. Instead, focus on eating small, frequent meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism humming. 2. Focus on whole foods. Whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, provide the nutrients your body needs to function properly and can help you stay full longer. 3. Limit processed foods. Processed foods, such as chips, cookies, and fast food, are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, and can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. 4. Watch your portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you eat too much of them. Use measuring cups and a food scale to keep your portions in check. 5. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water throughout the day can help keep you hydrated and can also help you feel full between meals. 6. Don't forget about exercise. Exercise is an important part of any healthy lifestyle, and can help you burn calories, build muscle, and improve your overall health. By following these tips and creating a personalized meal plan that works for you, you can achieve your health and fitness goals and feel your best. How to create a personalized meal plan that fits your individual needs. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain a healthy weight, or just want to eat better, these tips will help you get started. However, creating a meal plan can be challenging, and there are some common pitfalls that you may encounter. In this video, I'll share some of these challenges, along with practical solutions and real-life examples to help you overcome them. Challenge number 1. Finding the time to plan and prepare meals. Solution: meal prepping and planning ahead. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to eating healthy is finding the time to plan and prepare meals. However, with a little bit of planning ahead, you can save time and still eat healthy. One way to do this is by meal prepping. This involves preparing meals in advance, such as on a Sunday, and then storing them in the fridge or freezer for the rest of the week. Another solution is to plan your meals ahead of time, such as by creating a weekly meal plan and grocery list. This can help you stay organized and save time at the grocery store. Example: let's say you're a busy mom with a full-time job. You struggle to find the time to prepare healthy meals for yourself and your family. To solve this problem, you decide to start meal prepping on Sundays. You spend a few hours preparing meals for the week, such as grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, and quinoa. You store the meals in the fridge or freezer, and then simply reheat them during the week. This saves you time and ensures that you have healthy meals ready to go, even on your busiest days. Challenge number 2. Sticking to your meal plan when eating out or traveling. Solution: making healthy choices and planning ahead. Another challenge people face when it comes to eating healthy is sticking to their meal plan when eating out or traveling. This can be especially difficult when you're faced with tempting restaurant menus or fast food options. However, there are ways to make healthy choices and stick to your meal plan, even when you're on the go. One solution is to research restaurants ahead of time and look for healthy options on the menu. Another solution is to pack healthy snacks and meals when traveling.